Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you something really exciting from NotebookLM, the new cinematic video overview feature. We already know NotebookLM as a powerful tool for understanding documents, notes, and research material. But now it's moving beyond plain summaries and giving us a much more immersive way to consume information. With the cinematic video overviews, NotebookLM can take your source content and transform it into a rich visual story-like experience. So instead of just reading or listening to a summary, you get something that feels more engaging, more dynamic, and much easier to follow. This is especially useful when you want to explain complex topics in a simple and appealing way. In this short video, I'll quickly show you how this feature works and what kind of output you can expect, and let's jump directly to the demo. Right? It's going to be very interesting. All right, I have given you the text here which I want to generate the video for. I have given the text here. This is on the model context protocol. That's all. Now, once this is done, I need to go to the video overview part of it, click cinematic, generate. That's it. Wait for some time and you will get a beautiful video generated with cinematic view, just like what I'm getting in front of you right now. It may take some time, but it's worth the wait. Let's see how exactly the video has been generated, and it's super interesting, I'm telling you. Let's have a look at it.
When an AI agent needs to perform useful work, it has to reach outside its own neural network. It requires a mechanism for interacting with the real world by pulling external data and triggering physical actions. This architectural diagram shows one central AI application connecting cleanly to a single external database. As organizations scale, multiple LLM applications require access to a wide variety of external systems. Engineers write custom integration logic for every new connection. The architecture devolves into an exponentially complex end-to-end system, a tangled web of individual data pipelines. Managing authentication across dozens of bespoke connections multiplies failure risks, making governance nearly impossible. Scaling an enterprise AI.
How good it was. It was fantastic, right? Yes, it's a great way to generate video content for your textual input, and it's a fantastic overview. So I've gone through the
verification, determining which hosts can access which servers. Protecting corporate databases from aggressive AI polling requires external rate limits.
Excellent, and excellent. Try it out, and if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. I'll be very glad to reply you. This is an amazing feature. Please go ahead and use it. Thank you very much.